What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. We're inside of the Container Cafe, giving you a couple small updates. We're starting to get some sockets and stuff in. We got our lighting in. So that turned out pretty well. Like I said, we're putting all of our electrical pieces in, getting everything ready. So that way we can be able to, go to the next level. We got the USB ports. So we've been putting all that together. So it's coming, man. It's nice. It's coming on along, finishing it up. Just wanted to give y'all an update. Like I say, we're getting ready to get it together so we can reassemble it. Relocate it, I mean. So it's coming on along, man. Just wanted to give y'all a small update. We're really into it. We are getting it done. We are on it. So just wanted to let y'all see what we had going on today. Getting it wrapped up. Like I said, we got everything took off of it so that way we can take it to the next destination to start advertising it. So it's coming on along. I'm out here with the kids and the grandbabies today. Just want to give you some updates, but we are summing it up. It is summing up, so we should be done shortly. Just want to give y'all an update on it. Hold on.